Good morning everyone. Today we are dealing with the subject quality and safety management. We are going to study the last main topic from the module 3, that is role of management in ensuring safety. So what is the role of the management in ensuring the safety? The basic ingredient of safety management can be listed as follows. To set up a strong foundation, that means there should be proper organization, there should be proper strong foundation by suitable staffing of staff managers. To establish a system of reporting, investigation, data collection, analysis and decision making, there should be a proper establishment, that is a system of reporting should be there, proper investigation and data collection, analysis and decision making should be there by the organization. To predict, discover, control or eliminate the hazard, so there should be proper planning should be there to predict, discover, control and eliminate the hazards. To promote safety activities, to impart knowledge and skill, so there should be leading to promote safety activities, to impart knowledge and skill. To apprise worker regarding man-machine interface, so there should be proper communication should be there between the workers. So here the role of management is given in ensuring the safety. There will be hazards, but we should have a protective barrier, weakness or holes. So if any weakness or holes will be there, means accident will be happen, or if you have a proper protective barrier, accidents can be avoided. So we have to identify the hazard, we have to assess it properly and we have to control it. We have to find remedial measures so that we can avoid the accident. So that is what the role of management. Continuing with the role of management in ensuring safety, to analyze the cause of accidents in time and enforce remedies. So there should be proper plan and we should analyze the cause of accidents in time. There should be proper leading to motivate workers by suitable rewards and recognition. And we should organize, that is the organization has to give to be keen in good housekeeping, removing unsafe condition. To care for job satisfaction by proper development. To make disaster management plan and enforce. To make action plan for each managers. And discussion on complaints and corrective action. So controlling should be there. So here you can see the proper cleaning, everything has to be done and the management has to monitor everything and people has to wear the PPE kit while doing the works. Safety management. Safety management is essential for the desired changes in system of work and attitude. So it develops sense of safety in work activities, acquiring basic knowledge of hazards and precaution, prepare employee to make useful contribution, develop clean habits, increase efficiency in the use of tools, consider and implement useful and effective suggestions, make workplace more pleasant and human with the application of ergonomics and housekeeping, generate feeling of participation and job satisfaction, achieve the goal of quality. So in the safety management, we have to give proper sense to the workers, we have to develop a clean habitat, we have to increase the efficiency of the tool usage and we have to give proper participation. The workers should feel that they are participating proper and they should feel a job satisfaction and the workplace should be more pleasant to the people and the quality has to be maintained properly. So this is the safety management. We have to give proper seminars and awareness classes to the workers. So work safety has to be maintained by giving proper awareness. So incident management will be the registration, safety training and hazard should be given, work permit should be given to the people and inspection and observations has to be carried out to keep the work safety. Coming to the management aspect, safety manual. Prepare a safety manual for the company. And safety coordinator. Depute full-time or part-time safety coordinators depending upon the size of the project site and natural hazard. Then worker screening of workmen. So in the management, what they have to do is there should be proper manuals has to be given which has to deal with the safety, and safety coordinator should be there, full-time or part-time safety coordinator that should be there, so they have to monitor it properly. Then we have to give the screening for the workmen. Project safety plan should be there, so all prepare a project safety plan should be prepared, and overall the scope of the work has to be mentioned in that about fabrication, erection, excavation, concreting, that means from the starting till the end there should be proper planning should be there. Obligation chart, responsibility of the line functionaries and reporting of the line functionaries. So based on the safety engineering function, everything, the responsibility of each and every person has to be mentioned in the plan. Management aspects. At safety committee, all job, there will be structure, chairman, security and members will be there. The roles and responsibilities has to be mentioned. Project manager will be there, safety committee members, safety coordinators, site engineers, first line supervisors, sub coordinators, etc. will be there. So each and every person's jobs has to be mentioned. And job related PPE kit has to be mentioned, and how to use the PPE, what are the general housekeeping or starting of material, about the road safety, safe use of construction power, work permit system, maintenance and inspection has to be carried out properly, use of safe material, fire prevention and protection, contingency plan. So all those things has to be mentioned clearly. So these are some of the management aspects. Some figures has been given, goggles and gloves, the PPE kit, etc. The shoes, woven shoes, etc. has to be shown here. So this is what some of the safety precautions we have to take when we go for a construction industry. Identification of high risk or hazardous operation in the site, that is structural and equipment erection, excavation, concreting, pre-erection, pile driving, etc. are some of the things which has given high risk in the construction industry. So here you can see top 16 hazards in the construction sites has been mentioned. So unguarded machinery, fire, unsafe working at height, unsafe lifting operation. So these are some of the things mentioned here. 16 top hazard things that can occur in the construction site is mentioned here, like unstable mobile crane, unsafe excavation. So all those things has to be aware by the people who are working in the construction industry. Management aspect, checklists and reports should be maintained, safety inspection should be taken care. So all in the safety inspection, all the safety boards, posters, stickers, first aid box, everything has to be verified in the safety inspections. So this is a checklist. So we have to mention whether any accident has occurred, or is there any equipment is not working, or any issue will be there, or there is a hazard for accident or not. If any accident has occurred, what are the precautions we had taken, how we had managed it, how much is the cost spent for that, and what happened to the worker, how many workers got injured, and also every worker is using the PPE kit or not. Everything has to be listed in the checklist. So management aspect, continuing with that, there should be proper statistics and report should be there, that is accident investigation report. It will give the action taken report, weekly analysis of accident, monthly safety statistic, register of first aid and subcontractors will be given. Then job safety analysis, identity of task, third party inspection will be done, safety training, safety awareness programs will be given. Coming to the safety information, communication plays an important role in industrial safety management. IOW, that is injury on works format, has to be maintained, and details of the accident are sent to this injury on worker format, which contain nature of industry, causes, data and time of accident, exact location where the accident took place. So what is mean by this is complete accident details has to be recorded and maintained in the industry. Investigation and personal form has to be maintained. First information report has to be maintained within 24 hours, so that if any other person comes for checking or monitoring it, he will be aware that accident has occurred. These are the precautions we had taken, or these are the steps we had taken. He can aware about that through the records what we had maintained. Injury extension certificate, inspection reports, everything has to be maintained in an industry. So I hope you are clear with the accident prevention programs, and what are the reports or records that we have to maintain when an accident occurred in a construction industry, and what are the precautions we have to take to avoid the accidents. So this is what about your module 3. We will meet up in the next class with module 4. Thank you.